Moving into some other news. Let's look at this. Check this out. Now, those of you that are in the market for, you know what? Speaking of cameras, I saw this. Let me get into this real quick. I saw this, right? So the OnePlus 12, I think we're gonna get this one. Depending on where it's sold, I'm not getting a 128 gig. If they, I think T-Mobile's gonna carry this, but I think T-Mobile's only carrying the 128 gigabyte version. No good. If that's the case, I'm not. We'll see. The camera specs came out for this. Now, they're using the interesting thing with this new OnePlus 12. And we went over the specs and the release of it in our previous episodes. You can go find that in our video library. But they're using a brand new, never been used before, which could be a good or bad thing. Never been used before sensor, mobile camera sensor. Never used before in any mobile device. Brand new Sony sensor. And the CEO of OnePlus carrying this around. Obviously, they make these before they actually produce them. So yes, people at OnePlus are carrying around OnePlus 12s, testing them, using them. He actually stopped, I guess, in a market or a coffee shop or whatever. It took just a couple of still photos. Now, he did mention in his post with a laughing emoji, his hands were shaky or he should have used a tripod or something like that. I'm like, well, then why didn't you? Right? You're trying to sell this thing, trying to get the best looking press you can. So, anyways, the photos look decent. They're not like outstanding in my opinion. Like I wasn't wowed by them, but again, after you take a photo, and especially like for me, when I do camera comparisons, the more transferring of the file you do from device to device to device, it can mess up the resolution and just not make it look like it was meant to be. So that's why whenever I do mine, I transfer it through a wire to my computer and then I edit the video. I'm not sending it to the cloud and then downloading it and then doing this and doing that. I don't even do nearby share. I do everything manually through hardware when I do posting photos and stuff, which is why, let me see if I can find the photos first. Let's see, where is it? Oh, the link is right here. We'll go to it. Hang on. Let me see what sensor they put in here. So this is the OnePlus 12 Hasselblad specs. Now the OnePlus Open has been their folding device has been getting really good reviews with the sensors on the back. The camera samples been look really good. I've had the OnePlus 10 Hasselblad and was not overly impressed by it, honestly. I thought the Pixel took better shots. I thought the Samsung took better shots, but they're decent. Just nothing that wowed you like Pixel and Samsung can do now. It doesn't say on this one. Oh, one interesting before we look at the photos. Look at this. Keep an eye on this because I'm seeing two different screen sizes. This one says a 6.28 inch QHD AMOLED display, right? 6.8 inches. That's the size of the Samsung S23 Ultra. It's a ginormous device. I don't think that's correct. Even though it says it there, I think it's going to be a 6.7 inch screen, which is like the Pixel 8 Pro. Now, they can make it like a 21 by 9, a 19 by 9, a 20 by 9, 20.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 21.5 by 5 aspect ratio. So you can, as far as from here to here, that it just depends on how tall and skinny it is. So keep an eye on that. I don't think it's going to be 6.82 inches screen. I believe it's going to be 6.7 because that would make it a huge device. Just that 0.12 inches makes a big difference. It does. It doesn't seem like it does, but it does, especially when you're holding it. And by the weight as well. Now, this will have a ton of RAM. Let's look at the pictures, though. Enough talking. Let's see what we got here. I want to show y'all this. And I got one more thing for you. So I do appreciate y'all hanging in here with me. Share this tab instead. Okay, this goes to Weibo, which is like China's what do you want to call it? WhatsApp, I think. It's like a social media from China. Let's go to English. Okay, so this is the CEO of OnePlus, and he's saying, passing by at a coffee shop on the corner, I will show you some photos I just took with the OnePlus 12. Not non-professional photography. My hands are shaking. This person said it's not very good. Yeah, I was not impressed, but let's see if we can click on here and see what we have. So look, I'm not sure how it looks for y'all, but just me looking at it, it looks fairly blurry. These photos right here, which should come in crystal clear, are kind of blurry. It's in a weird lighting, right? Because it's in the shadow. You got light here, you got shadows from the trees and the branches, which is mixed lighting and shadow. And then you got regular dark shadow, full shadow. So this is actually a very difficult setting and scene for a camera phone to accurately take a picture of. But Pixel can do it. Samsung S23 Ultra can do it. This one does not look that good. Let me see if the other ones are just the same pictures but closer up. Hang on. Going back to the other one, look. Down here, like even this is fuzzy right here, or not fuzzy, but it's kind of not clear, right? The coffee, the Mandarin or Chinese writing on this little trash can, it's just not that good. And I'm not exactly sure why he would post this. Honestly, if you're a CEO of a phone company, I don't really know why he would have posted this because it's not flattering by any means. Look, this isn't that clear up here. Now I believe this is zoomed in. Um, like it just doesn't look good. And this is zoomed in even more. So, I mean, who knows? It's early. It's pre-production software they're running. I'm sure it'll get updated once or twice before, maybe three times before the final product comes out. But just wanted to show this to y'all. It was interesting. I that caught my eye earlier, so we will have to pay attention to this, and hopefully we get one, and we will do tons of testing on it to see where we are at as far as that goes. OnePlus 12.